guest today is Shari Marsh, owner of Cruise Holidays Land and Sea of Raleigh, North Carolina. Shari is a President's Circle award-winning travel advisor who's been featured in numerous travel publications, including USA Today. Shari has been designing custom luxury vacations for her guests since 2007. Hi, Shari. Welcome to RTE Ask a Real Travel Expert.
Hi, Ken. How are you today?
Oh, I'm great. So, Shari, our topic today is kind of river cruising. What are the top 5 things, in your opinion, that a new river cruiser would need to know or consider when they're thinking of booking a river cruise?
What do they need to know? Well, they need to know that river cruise ships are small, they're intimate, and they give a very personalized experience, both in where they visit and on board the ship itself. I think the second thing they need to know is that river cruises have free planned excursions. Don't find that on a lot of vacations, but they're free, included planned excursions for every river cruise line. Doesn't matter who it is. They have amazing gourmet cuisine that includes beer and wine with every meal. Nice little inclusion for you. They have beautiful staterooms that are filled with the amenities that you want to be able to relax and enjoy. And finally, no seasickness.
Why?
They don't rock at all. They just very calmly float on a river. And there is no tide to make the ship go back and forth. So most people who are hesitant to go on a cruise can very successfully, without any seasickness at all, do a river cruise.
Smooth sailing.
Smooth sailing.
What about booking a river cruise, Shari?
Do it early. Get the best selection on staterooms, although there aren't a whole lot of bad ones, with the exception of the lower deck that I don't usually recommend. They do fill up fast. Plan in advance, so a good 12 to 18 months in advance.
Right. So it's not something that you can do in a month's time.
Not normally, no.
Well, Shari, those are all wonderful points. I really appreciate that. Is there any one last piece of advice we give a first-time river cruiser?
Make sure you take some time to talk to a travel advisor. Make sure that you understand all of the options. They may look alike from a brochure. They may sound alike from listening to their ads. There are definite differences from one line to another. The type of staterooms that they have are different, whether it's a French balcony or a walkout balcony. They have suites if you need more space. They have different amenities. Some include everything from gratuities to spirits.
Right.
All include your shore excursions, your beer and wine with lunch and dinner. You're not going to go wrong picking a river cruise, but they have different personalities. They have different offerings, something for everybody.
That's good advice. Generally, a river cruise is going to be more of a top dollar item as compared to some ocean cruises. It's a bigger investment.
It's a definite bigger investment.
So having the value of a real travel expert or advisor in your corner can pay big dividends.
It can. Hopefully you'll pick somebody who has some experience. I've been on 7 river cruises. That's made a huge difference in my being able to convey to my guests the different things that they need to know. Who has laundry on board? Do you know which ship it is? Do you know which cruise line does? Because most of them don't. Just one in particular does. So yeah, just little things like that are important to some people. To some people that would be immaterial, but they definitely have different offerings. All of them do.
Well, Shari, this has been great. That's really great advice for anybody that may like to reach out to somebody that's been on just 1 or 2 river cruise lines.
Yeah, be prepared. I'm very passionate about river cruising, so you'll learn a lot. We'll talk a while, but you'll learn a lot. And when you are, hopefully with me or any travel advisor, river cruise advisor, you will feel very confident in your decision, because it's the biggest part of river cruising is making that decision. Once you're on board, it's super easy. Easy.
Great. All right, Shari. That's wonderful. With that, we'll get out of here, and I wish you happy travels.
You as well.
All right, take care.
Bye-bye now.
That about wraps it up for today, folks. If you'd like more information or would like to contact Shari, I'll leave her information in the description below, or you can always visit our website at realtravelexperts.com. If you enjoyed today's show, a like and subscribe is always appreciated. If you have any questions about today's show, drop us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy travels.